If your snake plant struggled through winter or looks dull right now, this is the moment that can completely change its growth. May is not just another month, it's the reset point that decides how strong, healthy, and fast your plant will grow all summer. Snake plant in May needs a smarter location shift because sunlight becomes stronger and longer. Move it from dark winter corners to a bright spot with indirect light. But don't shock it with harsh direct sun. Slow adjustment is the key. Snake plant watering in May should change slightly as the temperature rises. The soil dries faster now, so check it every 10 to 14 days and water only when the top layer feels dry. Overwatering at this stage is still the biggest mistake. Snake plant feeding in May helps prepare it for active summer growth. Use a diluted liquid fertilizer just once this month to give it enough strength without overfeeding. Snake plant leaves collect dust over winter, which blocks proper growth. Simply wiping them with a damp cloth improves photosynthesis and keeps the plant healthier and shinier. Snake plant repotting in May works best only if roots are overcrowded. If roots are coming out or circling tightly, upgrade to a slightly bigger pot so it can expand before peak summer stress. Snake plant pruning in May helps remove damaged or weak leaves. Cutting off yellow or bent leaves encourages fresh, stronger growth during the active season. Snake plant outdoor exposure in May can boost growth if done correctly. Start by placing it outside for a few hours in shade and gradually increase exposure. This strengthens the plant naturally. Do these simple changes now and your snake plant won't just survive summer, it will thrive. For more smart gardening tips like this, make sure to subscribe to Balcony Garden Web.